Welcome to the Creativity Cooks Chocolate Chip Muffins cooking tutorial. To begin, you will need the following ingredients: 2 cups of flour, 3/4 cups of chocolate chips, half a cup of white sugar, 1/3 of a cup of vegetable oil, 1 egg, 1 cup of milk, 2 teaspoons of baking powder, 1 teaspoon of salt, 3 tablespoons of white sugar, and 2 tablespoons of brown sugar for your muffin top mix. You will also need a mixing spoon, a small mixing bowl, a large mixing bowl, and a medium mixing bowl. Let's start by adding your dry ingredients. You will add your 2 cups of flour. This particular mixture has the baking powder and the salt already included with the flour mixture. So you'll add this mixture, followed by your sugar, and then your chocolate chips. Once all the dry ingredients are added, use your mixing spoon and go ahead and mix it up really, really well. Now, let's go ahead and add your wet ingredients to a separate bowl. You will begin by cracking your egg and adding it to the bowl, followed by your 1 cup of milk. Remember, the milk was not included in this kit and you can use any milk that you want for this recipe. Now we're going to add your 1/3 of a cup of vegetable oil. You will need to mix the egg, the milk, and the vegetable oil really, really well until you have it all combined into a nice smooth liquid. In a third small mixing bowl, you will empty the packet with your muffin top mix ingredients. You can grab a spoon, just a regular kitchen spoon, and just go ahead and mix this up really, really well to blend the 2 sugars together. Once you are finished, you can set this aside and continue mixing the rest of your muffins. Now, let's go ahead and add your wet ingredients to your dry ingredients. This is going to become really thick, so go ahead and just start mixing it really, really well. If you find that your mixture is too thick, you can add a little bit more milk to this, and you want to add it by using it in 1 tablespoon increments. Let's prepare your muffin pans so that once you bake your muffins, they will not stick to the pan. I'm using a baking spray and I'm holding it maybe about 8 to about 10 inches above my muffin tray, and I'm just going to spray it inside the pans. If you missed a spot, you can use a paper towel, or if you're greasing it with butter or margarine, you can just use a paper towel and gently spread it all around the sides. You want to make sure that nothing sticks to the pan once you're trying to get your muffins out. Your muffin pan is now ready for baking, and we can start by filling up each cup with about 2/3 of your muffin mix. The muffin top mix is purely optional. Some people love it and some people don't. You can even add some to all of your muffins. You can add some to some. It's entirely up to you. But to add it, you can use just a regular kitchen spoon and just sprinkle it on in as much or as little quantities as you desire. Your oven should be preheated to 350 degrees. Add your muffins to the oven and bake for 20 to 25 minutes. Once your muffins have a nice golden brown top to them, ask your parent or guardian to help you remove them from the oven and enjoy. Thanks for cooking with us.